Hey guys, what's going on, all you fine people out there in YouTube land? So, yeah. So I want to talk about something real fast. And I'm just kind of curious. I've talked to a few different people about this, and I get mixed feelings on it. What are your guys' opinion on the COVID vaccine? They're saying by May 1st, so many people are going to be able to be vaccinated. Or it's going to be open to everybody, not just the particular like 1A groups and whatnot. I'm just kind of curious, like what your thoughts are. My wife and my son have both gotten the COVID vaccine, and my wife had told me that she had put me on the list to get the vaccine, and I told her, to be honest with you, I just don't want it. Just just take my name off the waiting list, because I'm not really comfortable with the idea of getting it yet. So, and I've talked to a couple other guys that I know, and some of them want it, some of them have getting it. One guy I talked to had gotten his first shot. So it's I don't know, it's, for me, it's something that it was a rush vaccine, and it just seems that I don't know. Is it going to be, they're saying it's 90-something% effective, but I mean, they don't know long-term effects of this thing, if there is any. And I've already told my wife and my son, they say this is how the zombie apocalypse is going to start. And I've already told my son and my wife, that I love them so much that when they turn into zombies, I do have 45s to put in their head, So if it does come to that point where they do turn into zombies, I don't want to see my family, walk around all zombified eating brains, But I mean, yeah, it's like, what is this gonna be? What is the effect of this vaccine going to be in a year, or like, is it doing anything to your body? So maybe it's just my screwed up way of thinking. Who knows? I'm nothing but a dumb truck driver. I don't know any better. So have you been vaccinated? Just curious. And I know it's a HIPAA violation, if I ask you that, so you don't have to answer. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If I just lost track of what I was gonna say. Anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You want to comment down below. I welcome to hear everybody's thoughts on this vaccine. If you're not yet subscribed, please feel free. I'd love to have you on board. So until next time, my friends, stay safe, love one another, peace.